Today, guys, we're going to be making Junior Skillet Cornbread here on LCD. So I've got all my ingredients listed. This recipe does recommend you use a cast iron skillet. If you don't have one, it is worth investing in one because you can use it for so many different things. Go ahead and generously butter your cast iron skillet and put it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees, but just let it heat until the skillet gets hot. You don't want it smoking. You're going to add your flour, your cornmeal, your sugar, baking powder, and salt together in a large bowl and mix that all up. And then in another bowl, you're going to go ahead with an electric mixer and you're going to beat your eggs on high until light yellow and frothy, about 3 minutes. This is a very sweet cornbread recipe, so if you're not a fan of sweet cornbread, beware. My family calls it cake because that's pretty much what it tastes like, but I love a sweet cornbread. You're going to go ahead and add your milk, your melted butter. You're also going to add in your water and your shortening and your vanilla extract. Once that's all mixed in, you're just going to add in your flour mixture and you're going to mix on low just until the flour disappears. Scraping the bowl is needed. Try not to overmix though. The recipe does state do not overmix. Once that's all mixed in and well combined, you're going to gently stir in the corn kernels until they're well incorporated. Once that is all combined, you're going to pour that batter into the hot skillet, and the batter will come almost to the top, and it's going to sizzle as it hits the skillet, and it's going to give it that crusty bottom that's so good. You're going to bake it until it's golden brown for about 55 to 60 minutes until the toothpick is inserted and it comes out with moist crumbs, but they shouldn't be dry. And that is literally it, you guys. This is such delicious cornbread. Hope you enjoy.